Welcome to our lesson on simplifying fractions. Today, we are going to learn how to reduce fractions to their lowest terms using simple, step-by-step methods. First, let's review the parts of a fraction. The top number is called the numerator. It represents how many parts we have. The bottom number is the denominator, which shows how many equal parts make up a whole. What exactly does simplifying mean? It simply means writing the fraction using the smallest possible numbers without changing its actual value. As you can see here, 4/8 covers the exact same area as 1/2. They are equivalent. There is one golden rule you must follow. Whatever you do to the numerator, you must also do to the denominator. To simplify, we divide both the top and bottom numbers by the exact same value. Let's try to simplify 12/16. Step 1 is to list the factors for both numbers. Factors are just numbers that divide evenly into our target number. Here, we list the factors of 12 and 16. Next, we look for numbers that appear in both lists. We can see 2 and 4 are in both lists. The largest matching number is 4. This is called the greatest common factor, or GCF. Now for the actual reduction. We take our greatest common factor, which is 4, and divide both the numerator and the denominator by it. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Our simplified fraction is 3/4. But what if the numbers are big and you cannot find the greatest factor easily? Don't worry. You can use the repeated division method. Just start with small numbers you know, like 2, 3, or 5. Let's look at 24 over 36. Both are even, so let's divide them by 2. That gives us 12 over 18. They are still even, so divide by 2 again. Now we have 6 over 9. Finally, we can divide both by 3 to get 2/3. How do you know when you are finished? Ask yourself these questions. Is the only number that divides into both of them 1? If yes, you have successfully reduced the fraction to its lowest terms.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.